Hello friend, in this video I am going to tell you how you can withdraw your money from ATM machine with your ATM card. Many of people don't know how to use ATM machines and they got stuck. So first of all, you have to insert your card. Please keep remember, it's very important to understand how you have to insert your ATM card, otherwise your card will stuck in machine. Please notice the arrow icon here. You have to put this arrow icon on front of card. I mean, this arrow will be on the direction of ATM machine. Okay, so you can see my arrow is straight to the ATM machine. You can also thumb, but use thumb, but I'm not going here to use my thumb. I put inside my ATM card, and now my machine is identifying my ATM card. First of all, you have to select your language. Some of machines also have buttons here, but this is totally touch machine, so I will select my language, English. Here the next step is you have to enter your pin, 4-digit pin. I will enter my pin. You have to keep remember your pin and then press this green button. After pressing the green button, the machine will move on next step, and here you have to, if you have a right password, then it will show you the different option. Here you can see cash withdraw, fast cash, and other options, fund transfer, pin change, but mostly people use these machines for cash withdrawal or balance inquiry. So in this video I'm going to tell you about these two things. First of all, I will check my balance. It's saying, are you want to take slip as well? I will say no, because it will charge for slip from your account. And now it is fetching account information. Here you can see my account number, which I have blurred, my account balance, and then available limits, which how much balance I can draw in a single transaction in a 24 hours. Okay, I can withdraw 50,000. Now I'm going to tell you how you can draw your cash. Click it here, and you will see in next step he will ask you to enter the amount you want to draw. You can enter your amount in multiples of 500. I will enter 25,000. You can never make transaction more than 25,000. So I will click OK to make the confirm. As you can see here, again asking for do you want to slip? I will say no, because I don't want to slip. If I will click yes, it will give me a slip when it will give me a money. So but in this case you can see, first of all it will put off your card from here, then slip from here, and money from bottom. So now it is making transactions. It will take some time. Now I was not select slip, but it give me a slip that in this slip next he will return me card, and in this slip he said that machine is out of order. Okay, so this is good to show you how you have to take next step if this machine is out of order. Here you can see that temporary error there. Now you have to press again green button, and then you have to put your card again into machine, because in some cases it never complete your transaction. I press the green button and put my card into machine again, and I repeat all the step I have tell you before, and now it is again taking transactions to make money. Okay, first of all it returned the card, and then it give me my money. Okay, you can see if you select the slip as well, it gives you a slip from here. Now you can see if you have any complaint, there is also a complaint box, and if your card stuck inside machine, then you can make call to manager for further help. He will come and open the machine with his key and put off your card and give to you. Other here the method how to use the machine is also written. If you have any query about the video, please write in the comment section, and if you like the video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell button as well, so you will get notification about all of my videos I created for you. So it was a very simple video. Actually it's not difficult, but if someone have to withdraw money first time, then believe me, it's a big game, and many of people could never make transaction while never watch any video. So I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care and Allah Hafiz.